Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see how to start a fruit stall. My suggestion is that with the fruit stall, if we start a vegetable shop and a juice shop, added advantages for us because these fruits are going to be should be sold within 1 or 2 days. After that, it will be damaged. So within that time, if there is excess, then we can make it as a juice and we can supply. So one juice, apple juice is there, 40 rupees, 50 rupees is there. So like that, at least 10 to 15 juices a daily. If we sell it, it's a good income for us. I have put fruit stall for the loan limit of 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. It's a maximum one. So you must see first how much loan amount we need. How much we have to give to the means how to give and purchase a material like that. We must see, we must calculate ourselves whether 5 lakhs is sufficient or 10 lakhs is sufficient. We must see it. My suggestion is that it can be a family business because I am there, my wife is there, we are running, and one person or two person is there to accommodate for helper is there. Then I can run the business very well. If my brother is there, within the family members, if there are there, this fruit stall can be run best because I have to go out in the main area for getting money. So putting money in that main in the dryer, if we within the family is there, it will be good. Otherwise, if we believe in somebody and if we go, then there may be chances of misbehavior. So it is best that if family business is there, it will be good. Otherwise, good friends, otherwise good helper is also, it's up to us to decide it. Okay. So WhatsApp, you must make a WhatsApp group to make our customer to buy us and get us. And if you do door delivery to hostels, like ladies hostels, gents hostels, hospitals, and then old men houses, it will be good for us because it is because due to this lockdown they cannot come and get it. If we do door delivery, it is best for us. So before you starting this fruit stall, you have to make it a market study where you have to start by business, like main road, main locations we have to start it. If you are starting this fruit stall in a remote area, it will not fetch income. So you must always see that we are starting this business in a main location, so that people are moving here and there, they will see what is there. Okay, because on the way if somebody is seeing there, okay, good fruits, fresh fruits are available, they will come and they will get it. Always make some advertisements like boards and all, it will fetch added advantages. So I have here put what are the requirements: investment, bank loans, project reports, opportunities are there, how much the income will be coming, how much the expenses will be there, how to make the project report. Complete study I have given here. So kindly subscribe my channel and see up to last, so that you will get idea. If anything, you put in the comment box. For the requirements, for lease or rental agreement, we must have it, and minimum 300 to 500. If it is there, it will be good. Why? Because we are going to start a fruit stall and vegetables and juice. Okay, so you can see lot of people in the bus, near bus stop, they will having some trolley type, and they will sell fruits and all. So like that many people are doing. So the difference between selling in open area and selling in a shop, so we must get good customers, and we have to sell more. So according to that, the area also must not be less, and also must not be more, because if it is more, you have to pay more rent. If it is less, you cannot accommodate. According to that, we have to select it. So normally 300 to 500 square feet, if it is there, it will be good. Roadside main location, you have to see the shop, and the wholesale, you have to purchase fruits wholesales and vegetables also wholesale. Then only our income will be good, because retail, we are going to do retail. When we purchase wholesale with a very good margin, then we can do it, because we have to pay to ourselves, pay to rent, EB, bank interest, everything in this. For fruit stall, bank will give loan for OCC or OD. So without security I am going under PMEGP or Mudra loan, so OCC I can go up to 10 lakhs I can go. So open cash credit. If I am giving some security, then I can go for OD, overdraft limits. So if you see, if I am going to get 5 lakhs loan, 10 lakhs loan, the monthly interest will be for 5 lakhs, monthly interest will be 5,000, or 10 lakhs monthly interest will be 10,000. This is just interest, but the amount will be same always. So when you are paying your interest 5,000 for all loan, if you pay extra, it will go to the principal, and you have to tell to the bank that please put under reducing balance. So my balance has to be reduced as I am paying extra amount for the principal. So you must tell it. If you want to purchase any small vehicle for transport, the term loan will be for that. Investment is here like racks, tables, then weighing machines, then the fruit stall, if you put that mixie and all, you will be there. So for fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, and manpower, and small van, if it is there, okay. As we are starting from fresh, from initial start itself, it is not needed, because if we have tie up with the 5-6 persons, this fruits will be wholesale fruits will be door delivered. Like apple will be coming as a box, this oranges, everything will be coming as a box. We have to make it as good. So if you have some fridge and some good air condition, because these items has to be preserved, because maximum 2 days or 3 days it will be this waste, because before that we have to make it, we have to sell it. According to that, our market study, market management must be there. So if you see bank loan, bank will ask you, do you have shop license? In the corporation you have to get a shop license. Bank account must be there, in which bank. PAN card, Aadhaar card, CIBIL will be checking whether your CIBIL score is above 700 and good. And rental and lease agreement you have to submit. Market study, bank will see that whether this area, this place, whether it will fetch income or not. Then Mudra UIGP, you will be getting loan. So normally for project report name, what I am starting my business, my name is Mogan. So Mogan Palamudir Cholai. Fruit stall, like that we will put. Then addresses, where my present, my house address and the permanent address where I am going to start, I will be putting. That activities of fruit selling, bank loan, whether I am asking OCC or OD, I will put how I am going to repay it. What is the CMA for that? If term loan is there, what is the DSCR ratio? This calculation and all very easy. I will take a separate one for project report, DSCR, CMA. How to make for any loan, how to make this, because bank will ask that how you are going to repay it, how the income will be coming. So it will cover it. I will make it in a separate video. And rate of industry, if I am going to take 5 lakhs loan, then 9.5% monthly I will be paying 5,000. If I am paying extra 3,000 or 4,000, it will be reducing balance I will put. So my 5 lakhs will be coming down like 4 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 1 lakh. Then again I can top up it. So this is a very good one, because always if you are having enough profit will be coming. If you are using that profit in good way, it will be coming. Otherwise you put in the industry, so extra you are paying industry, so you will put and you reduce it, again you avail it, then like that it will be good. For 10 lakhs, 10,000 will be EMI, extra 10,000 you are paying for that EMI, extra or 8,000 or extra 10,000, extra 5,000 if you pay, it will be going to the principal. So yearly 60,000, 1,20,000 is there. What are the opportunity? Daily consumption, fruits are daily consumed. So it will be, because patients nowadays we see COVID. So COVID patients they cannot eat more. So main juice is the main thing, and fruits are main thing. So it will fetch very good income. Vegetables like fruits, if you see apple 160 to like Australian apple is there, Washington apple is there, Ooty apple is there, Kashmir apple is there. Different type of apples, different rates. Normally 20 to 30% you will be getting. So normally 1 kg apple is 200 rupees. Then it actual rate including transportation, this everything 140, 120 will be there. Nearly 80 rupees or 40 rupees or 50 rupees will be our margin income. So apple, mangoes, strawberries, oranges, sweet limes, watermelon, grapes, guava. So different fruits here I have written here. Nearly 13. There are nearly 25 to 30 fruits. So people, you have to check in 30 fruits what are the fruits people are getting. People are purchasing, buying it. So then that fruits you must be keep there. Otherwise, if you keep other fruits also, one is it will occupy the space, and also it will be vanished. Your money will be gone, waste. So always you have to see which fruit they are normally people are doing. According to that, you have to put in your shop. So income, if you see fruits, I have put the commission of normally 10,000 one day it will be sales is there. 5,000 will be our margin, our income will be there, because apple 1 kg 40 rupees will be getting like extra amount commission. So normally 10 kg or 20 kg. So strawberry 4 or 5 up, then mangoes 5 kg or 10 kg. Like this I have calculated here, and I have put normally daily 5,000 will be getting income, and monthly we will be getting 1,50,000 income, and yearly yearly will be getting 18 lakhs income. So if we are having this much income, that what are the expenses in this? So like manpower expenses and other EB, and then bank interest, then vehicle. So like that maintenance, like that, 7,20,000 will be the expenses for yearly will be there. So profit will be 10,80,000. In that 90,000 means 1 lakh monthly will be getting very good income for us. So you can calculate it. You check with other shop who are running. You just speak 4-5 shops. You speak because you are not the competitor who is going to put next to his shop. You speak with friendly, brother, I want to start, how whether I got to get material, how to start it, what is the income. So these and all, if you ask, surely a good relationship there. If one person is not telling, other person will tell, because you can tell, sir, I am not going to start here, and I am going to start in my village, but I want to know it. If you ask, surely he will help you. This. So normally family business, I have told, you make it a WhatsApp group, you make it their door delivery. Before that, you do your market study, and if you proceed this loan, it will be best for you. Income and expenses we saw. We have put in projected balance sheet of income this much will come, and the expenses will come in this much. So normally balance sheet capital will be there. Loan liabilities we have taken nearly 10 lakhs. If we loan 10 lakhs or 5 lakhs now 5 lakhs. Then fixed asset, because we have created fixed asset, and current asset we are having in hand for running, for purchasing fruits, vegetables, etc. So receivable also we are having 2 lakhs nearly. From this we have achieved this income and profit. So normally my best sincere advice, if you do fruit stall, you keep near vegetables also, because fruit stalls are always fresh, vegetables also fresh, juices also if you keep, it will be good. You do market study, you see 4-5 food stall how they are maintaining. Few food stalls are only doing fruits only, they are not included vegetables. But if you include vegetable, if it is good or not, you have to decide, because how the people in and there are. So if you do market study, before that you discuss with your family, wife, brother, sister, mother, father, you discuss it with them before studying, because they are the pillar to you, they will support you always. Before that you check with them and you proceed with this. Surely this fruit stall will fetch you nearly 1 lakh per month. So 12 lakhs per 10 lakhs 80,000 nearly will be yearly. More than that it will give you, and you can make 2-3 food stalls in your city or in your area. So if anything you put in the comment box, you start preparing it, start making a food stall. Sure, you invite us. Thanks a lot. Come.